Hi everybody, this is Madonna from Mad Beast Quilt and Sew, and welcome thank you for joining us for day number 7 of our steals and deals. No, they're not steals and deals. They're just some great promotions and some fun new things that we're doing in the store. So I have got today this really cute little it's actually counted cross stitch. So we're getting back into handwork, and this is a great fast project for the car. In here, it's got your hoop, it's got your floss, it's got your needles. It is ready to go, and just a really cute little cactus scene. So we've got that. I've got hand sewing needles, and I've got Thread Magic, which is a great product to be able to put across your threads so they don't have so much drag on them. So the promo for today is the little kit, the Dritz hand sewing needles, and the Thread Magic, and maybe a thread or two in there as a bonus so you can play a little bit more. And that price comes down to $16.50. So what a great little bonus project to be able to try something new. I have 2 other little announcements for you. We will not be on Comment Sold tonight. So it's Tuesday, typically at 5:15 we're on. But the second announcement is we're going to be on Friday night. So watch Facebook Friday night and you'll be able to catch us then. And we're doing a Comment Sold sale called Ticket to Quilt. So there are six shops in total doing that. Last night was Prairie Quilts. Tonight is Red Pine, I think. Red Pine Quilts, okay? So go onto our Facebook page, look up on YouTube, look up and see Ticket to Quilt, it's called T2 Quilt. And it's a fun way to find some other stores and see what they've got going on. Otherwise, you can join us Friday evening at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, and we're going to be having a blast and enjoying our time.
Our time. For anybody who's out of state, yes, it's exactly. 7 p.m. Central.
7 p.m. Central. Okay, we got to get that under control. So today's deal, the other deals are all posted in Tuesday's email. So if you've missed something and you wanted to catch up, guess what? In the email today, they're all listed, and there are some great items. The one with the cutting mat that rotates, I nabbed one of those, okay? Yep. So definitely get what you need, and I will see you tomorrow.
You can also go on YouTube and watch all the videos that if you missed.
Videos. If you missed any of those, there's some little tidbits on those, so absolutely. Oh, I almost forgot. This was my second announcement. We have hanging up in the store right now, in the big classroom, our staff challenge. We made quilts. I asked everybody to go ahead and try to make the snowflake, and they've done a wonderful job. At the cash register, we have a big jar. We want you to drop a number in it, and we're going to see who is the winner of each of these quilts. Oh, they look different on the camera. Way cool to be able to see them that way. So there are 6 quilts in total hanging, and come on in and cast your vote. Thank you, and I'll wait for Deanna to get back to me so I can wave goodbye without making everybody sick. Remember, this is the place you want to be. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.